Good morning, families and friends. You see, our topic for today is an expansion on yesterday's topic, which is when listening saved a nation. See, Phinehas and the leaders crossed the Jordan, not with swords drawn, but with questions. And the eastern tribe gave a humble explanation. They said, "We did not build this altar to rebel. It is a witness that we belong to the same God." See, the scripture says the matter pleased them and they blessed God. Joshua 22:30-33. See, a war ended before it began, not because someone won an argument, but because someone chose to listen. You see, friends, what does this teach us? Number one is listen before you judge. See, most conflicts are misunderstanding, not malice. Number two, seek unity, not victory. Psalms 133 tells us that unity is good and pleasant. See, Jesus prayed in John 17 that our unity would convince the world of his love. Number three is respond with humility and grace. 1 Peter 3:8-9 calls us to be compassionate, tender-hearted, and humble. See, when the church listens, when the church seeks understanding, when the church chooses peace over pride, the world sees Jesus. So here's the takeaway. See, conflict doesn't destroy the church. Refusing to listen does. See, unity doesn't happen by accident. It happens when God's people follow his ways of peace. See, Joshua 22 ends with an altar called witness. A witness that God's people can resolve conflicts, that misunderstanding doesn't need to become division, and that listening can save a nation. Imagine what it could save today in your home, in your friendship, and in your church. Friends, choose listening, choose understanding, choose unity, and let the world see a witness that the Lord is good. God bless.